Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Friday, June 29th. I do look for follow through in the NASDAQ market, right kind of behavior, right way to finish as we go into Friday's action. I think buyers are still present and I do look for follow through to the upside. Let's take a look at that currency. And what do we see here for the euro? Really a very neutral position. I look for that position to continue. In other words, a sideways market. Next week, I think we have the possibility of a rally in this currency, but we'll keep our eyes on it. I also need to tell you about the Canadian dollar. It traded above its bullish level, and the magnitude change here in that market is $1,600 a contract, and I do look for follow through to the upside on Friday. And I look for movement to the downside in this 10-year note. Now we traded below that bearish level. The magnitude change here is $15.62.5. I expected this market to stick if we could trade below that. Well, it hasn't. It bounced up a bit. But I do look for follow through to the downside on Friday. And in the gold market, nothing to write home yet about that market. We're seeing continued weakness, and I look for that to continue as well. We are approaching levels, though, that we could get a bounce. We just haven't seen those buyers yet, and nothing telling us to be a buyer. Well, with crude oil, it's working its way higher. It is slowing down. I don't look for it to drop, but I look for an inside day on Friday. Natural gas traded below its bearish level. Magnitude change here is $100 a contract, and I look for an inside day on Friday. Soybeans, continued weakness is what I'm looking for, but I think we have to be careful here because the next 10 to 20 cents could easily bring buyers back to this market. So right now we want to be on the short side, but cautious. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. And as always, take care.